Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about routes. So what I would like to do is to copy the view demo to routes demo.py and copy the views to views.py. Now what I would like to do is to use the routes demo.py and edit the configuration file. And now what I need to do is to edit the views.py. So in the views.py what we can do is to basically say that our body is going to be something like this. So body equals f string first so %, first s and second %, second s, and we would like to use the %sign, so this is going to be a string formatting request.match dict, and we don't need the f character. And what we can do also is to remove the hello from here and go back to the routes demo.py. We don't need the hello either. And in the add route function, what we can do is to specify these two variables that we would like to use. So first and the second. And basically this is going to be a variable assignment, so whatever value I gave to the first position and the second position will become visible. And let's run it. So routes demo, and let's go to the Firefox and open up our HTTP 0.0. Hold on. So view the.py, and what I would like to do is to return the body. So body. And the second thing that we need to do is to specify value to those two variables. And let's call it Python programming. And as you can see, these were variables which were passed to the context route. And while in Flask, what you could do is to basically say that at app.route hello. So this is how you would associate a function with a specific context route. Pyramid is a little bit more sophisticated, because if you check the routes demo.py, you can see that we name a specific function with the decorator of view config. So like this, views, and by the name we are going to associate it with a context route. And this allows you a little bit more flexibility when you are creating a web application. So this is what I wanted to show you about routes. See you in the next